How's everybody doing? Thanks for watching. Coming at you live here from Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, SUVs, pickup trucks, box trucks, freight trains, whatever you want to put lights on, we'll do it. Especially brand new SRT chargers like this one with that cool light in the grill. You can change color, any color you like. It's remote controlled. Maybe you can hear that clicking right here. I like that color. It'll do fading. It'll do the flashing. It'll do all kinds of stuff. All different colors. Ooh, red, that's pretty nice. So this car came in here for just a couple little accent lights. We do that as well. As you can see, we ran a multicolored strip, RGB strip in the front grille there. Just wanted to keep it a little bit toned down, a little bit more classy on this one. Didn't want to go crazy with the color all over in all the vents. It's got vents on the hood, vents where the fog lights go, vents in the lower bumper. We didn't want to do all of that. So we just kept it nice with a single strip here in the upper grille. It's color coordinated, it's remote controlled, it's fed off a battery underneath the hood, fairly easy to do. Here's a little better shot. I'm working on getting some light block for that back window, so you'll be able to see the videos a little better. As you can see here, the color that we got going on behind that grill. I dig it. I like this one right here where it'll breathe. Got a couple of different speeds you can choose for the breathing if you want. Take it a little slower. You can make it flash. A couple of different speeds on that too. All kinds of fun stuff. Let me show you what we did inside the car too. In the car here, it doesn't come factory with any kind of a footwell lighting. We went ahead and took care of that. You can see we've got it in a fade mode right now. This particular car got a 6 strip, but you can do a 4 strip. We've got 2 underneath the dash at your toes. We've also got 2 right at your heels on the front of the seat track. And of course, we left enough room so the seat moves without any problems. And as you can see back here, we also mounted 2 on the rear of the front seats to light up the rear of the car. Did our best to hide everything. The rear of the front seats is a little bit more difficult. If you do want that light, you usually end up seeing the strip just a little bit at the bottom there. You can mount it under the seat, but that wouldn't give you the nice light output that you're seeing right here. Here's another shot of the front there. Now this one particular also has all kinds of fade options, different kinds of jump. You want strobe, you want disco party, all the colors, you can do that. You can select a single color if you like, no problem. Fairly common stuff. But as I said, we do more than just emergency lighting here. We'll do your accent lighting too. So if you have a particularly unique vehicle, you wanted to drape it with some color like we've done here, grill, trunk, stereo, footwell, wherever you want to put that colored lighting, you get a hold of Wicked Warnings at info at wickedwarnings.com. Make sure you send in some photos of what you want to work on. Give me some pictures of the grill. Give me some pictures of the inside. Let me know what your spec is. Do you want white? Do you want one color? All the colors. What are you looking to do? And then you can stop by the shop too if you want. We'll take a look at your vehicle. I thank you all for watching again. Hope you like this particular build. Hope to see something for you soon in the shop. And we'll see you again on the next video. Keep in mind, Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency, strobe lighting and safety equipment for cars, vans, buses, trucks. Your number one source for accent lighting, multicolored RGB kits, underbody lighting, whatever you need, we'll get it done. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.